Vegan Pumpkin Muffins. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 cup of coconut sugar, 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, melted, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 pinch of salt. Vegan chocolate chips optional. Instructions: preheat the oven to 175 degrees and line a muffin tray with liners. Whisk together pumpkin puree, coconut sugar, almond milk, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract until combined. In a separate bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Fold in the vegan chocolate chips. Spoon the batter into the muffin liners, filling each to about 2/3 full. Bake for 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out of a muffin clean and dry. Cool in the tray for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool. The full recipe is in the video description, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it.